In this video, I will show you how to open a Buick Enclave key fob to replace the internal battery at home. This process is very easy to do. All you will need is a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. You can get these batteries online, and I will leave a link down in the YouTube description so you can get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. The first thing to do is look down at the bottom of the device. You can see right along the seam in the plastic here, there's a little indentation, a little space for us to put a flathead screwdriver. So just insert that in, and once you feel it kind of sticks in there, you can just twist, and this will come apart very easily. You're just inserting it, wiggle it in, and just give a little twist, and there we go. Now we have access to the battery, and you can just push it out with your fingers and slide it out like that, or just use your flathead to finish it off. There we go. Once you have your battery out, just dispose of your old battery and take a new CR2032 battery, and make sure it is going in positive side up. So you want to see that text facing up, and you just slide it back into place. And all we need to do now is click the two halves of the device back together, and we are done. I hope that was helpful for you, and if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comment section, or you can let me know by just giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing the battery in another one of your key fobs, come check us out here on this YouTube channel, or you can visit us directly at fobbattery.com.